Hello guys, I'm back with another video. I thought I'll show you on how to use for those who have a Mac laptop or Mac other desktop iMacs. I thought I'll show you on how to use the freely provided editing app that you will have in your Mac, which is the iMovie. In iMovie, you can do all kind of editing. You can edit. You can do everything. You can. I would argue that you can do whatever you can do in the other apps like Pinnacle or Studios. So that's why I thought I'll show you with a simple example on how to create a project and do the editing in it. So for this, I have to first open the iMovie, which is already there ready. Either I have to go to the application or I can just do command space. So which is I have it, and see here, this is my iMovie since it's first now, and I can go to the here. The first thing that you see here is if it's brand new. I mean, if you already have it, it will open to the existing project that they already created. But if it's new, if you never had any project created yet, it would just be like this under the media, and then under the project it will be also empty, and then it would invite you to create new. So I will create a new project. Okay, it's gonna be a movie. Okay, and here it came to my project page. So I can. This is the project media here, and then one thing is I don't have any content yet. So what I can do is I can import the media. One is I can click, and then it will take me to the select access files. Yes, okay, and I can take it there, or I can go to my Finder. I can go to the location where I want to grab my files from, and then I can drag and drop them. So one of them is, for example, this intro. I can drag it and then drop it here. There you go. It is there. And the other one is, these are collections. I can get this GIF. And I hope I have a picture. So I don't have a picture here. Let me find something. But it's personal. That's not about for now. And you know what? I can go here and then Simon Cowell picture. Yes, it is. Oh, I didn't say wife. Do it, please. Alright, that's the Simon. Let's copy. I hope this is a picture now. Says JPG. Good. So I'll go back here, and I can put it here actually. So now I can go to my movie, and then I can come here again to my folder that where I have the picture saved. Okay, I can come in and drag it. Okay, so what am I planning to do? I'm planning to make to compile all these pieces of content into one video, right? And even I can get the by the way, I can get the music, one of the musics. Okay, so what I have now is I have the GIF, I have audio, I have a video, I have a picture. So to create, I just want to create one simple video, and then I create a video by putting all the lists down here. If you see here, so where I put my stuff. So movie, I can put the video here, for example, look at that, it's a video. And even I can put the picture afterward. I can put them here. And then since this is kind of advertisement, like, hey, subscribe to this, I can put it at the top here. And then this is audio, which means it can play underneath. Okay, I can play them here. This is interesting. So, you know, I can... Anyway, this is how I would create a video, by dragging this. And then I would... I have this file. I think I can go to my projects. See here, if I go to my project, that's what it's prompted me to give the name instead of my movie. It doesn't make sense. So I can do demo 1 in case I come back with another. So I can, it's taking me back to my project, and then I can see all the project I have. So let's go back to my project now. So this is demo 1. And like I said, ideally this is the movie, and then you can export it by clicking here, and then you can say, hey, this is movie on Facebook, so just export the file or just email it or whatever. But let's just do more crazy a little bit. Let's say I have audio. I also have audio, as you see here. There's an audio here. So what I do is I can detach the audio so that I can play only this audio, which means I can take I can minimize the audio of this whatever audio contents is inside this movie, and then so that I can make this one be audible done on top of this. But again, this is a simple video. This is a simple example that I would say is an example of a movie. And yeah, and then you already created one project. In the next video, I'm going to show you on how to make it prettier, like again how to take out the audio and then make this audio be listened, and then how to, you see here there's an extra, and how to cut it out. And on this one, as you see, it will dominate the page of this one, so how to make it smaller, all this kind of. Stay tuned, and then see you on the next video. Thank you so much.